We're going to go ahead and replace our horn. It's located underneath our wheel well liner on the driver's side and is bolted to the bottom side of our battery tray up underneath here. Underneath our driver's side wheel well area, we're going to go for our 8mm bolt right in the middle. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove that. We're going to remove these two bolts, one in the middle and the one in the front here. And these are 7/32 for ours. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove these. Let's go ahead and repeat for this one located in the middle here. Right here on the forward side of our splash shield is what would be a bolt. Ours is snapped off. So at this point, if you have a bolt here, go ahead and loosen and remove that. Once you have that bolt out, go ahead and grab your wheel well liner and go ahead and start working this back. I'm going to go ahead and grab a retainer strap here. This is going to help hold us back out of the way. At this point here, it's going to expose our two horns. One here is, well, that's in a rough shape. This is going to be the one that we want to replace. Let's go ahead and I'm going to use pliers and work our electrical connectors off of the remnants of the old. And well, that broke off. Kind of expected for the condition of this unit. Let's get up on the top here. I'm going to remove that nut. So we went ahead and lowered the vehicle, and with the battery out of the vehicle, we have better access to the nut on the back side of our horn here. I'm going to go ahead and get our socket down there. Let's go ahead and remove that. Let's go ahead and install our horn. We're going to install a bolt right through the top here that we sourced. I'm going to put a nut on this. At this point here, it's going to give us the adjustability to go ahead and put this horn wherever we need it to be. In our case, we're going to keep it tucked up right there. It'll be out of the way of the wheel well liner. We'll snug down that nut. And we'll have a bit of adjustability if you want to bend that bracket up just a little bit to keep it out of the way. We did lengthen our wires here as needed. And the slide our connectors into place. At this point here, we can go ahead and bring down our wheel well liner. Go ahead and release our retaining strap. At this point here, we'll go ahead and install our forward liner screw here. Good, snug that down. Let's go ahead and install our center bolt here. Now, if you were able to get the front bolt out on the front section here, you want to go ahead and install that now. Now that we have our wheel liner in, let's go ahead and straighten out our wheel, put the vehicle back on the ground, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.